I'm delighted to introduce this short video which summarises the feedback we had from our recent peer challenge with Worcestershire County Council. They are a chance to be assessed by others who are in the same position as ourselves and understand the challenges and issues. Also, we find that important learning happens by both those undertaking the assessment and those receiving it. I'm particularly pleased that this video shows the thoughts of those assessing our progress from their own lips and shows us in such a positive light. It is a wonderful tribute, I think, to our staff, and for that, my thanks and that of my colleagues in the Cabinet cannot be overstated.
You have a very, very strong focus on social care practice and values, and your professional curiosity was very evident and great to see. You're focused as a team on enabling citizens to live independently, and the relationships that you have amongst yourselves as staff, but also with partners in primary care, within community health, within the hospital, at an operational level, as well as with senior managers, were very strong. And your leader is very much a person who embeds the values. She's very committed, you will all know that. And she's very driven by doing the right thing. And it's important as leaders that we set that tone and environment for what we're doing. You've done a lot during COVID to keep connected with your care market. We also talked to some of your customers, your users, carers, your experts by experience. They really appreciated the individual responses by yourselves and by leaders. You've got a really good Live Well Telford website, that's your digital offer. You've got very good staff engagement. You do lots of communication, workshop discussions, including people and basing transformation on what people tell you matters to them. And you had listened to what people had said, and your response during that time was outstanding, and we were very glad to see some of that. And you work really closely with your housing colleagues within the council and without. You've kept very strong as a team on making sure that you're operating within the values that you would normally, but you've done that during a crisis with all that comes during that time, and absolute credit to you as a team for that.
A massive thank you to all our adult social care staff in Telford and Wrekin, whose professionalism, brilliance, passion and commitment shone through on our recent ADAS peer review. A huge thank you to our key partners from the community, voluntary and health and social care sectors for their collaboration, great partnership working together to improve outcomes for our local people. Finally, I want to say a big thank you to Paula Furnivall, the Executive Director for People and DAS at Worcestershire Council, who led the ADAS peer team in their visit virtually to Telford, for sharing their expertise and knowledge and helping us continually improve our service offer.